This is monthly chart of gold. All the information in your screen is extremely hard to understand. So we will start this video with another chart. This is simple monthly chart. Your first resistance is 1912 and next resistance is 1921. And first support is 1680. For this month, your key support and resistance are 1921 and 1680. These are monthly support and resistance, and these are for big player long-term investor. But when they appear on intraday chart, you do the mistake, you sell instead of buying and you buy instead of selling. Now this is weekly chart. Price of gold are going up for 4 weeks straight, and last week is tested the resistance we recommended in previous video, and last week candle after NFP has filled weeks of this previous candle. After 1830, our next resistance is 1876. 50% retracement of this complete bearish trend and this white trend line. If this week or before FOMC meeting 1876 break, then next target would be 68% retracement at 1923. 61% retracement. We also have previous all-time high 1912 and 1921. So these were weekly resistance. For support, our key support is 1765. If price does not break 1834 resistance for this week, then it can easily test 1765 support, because this month we have two important economic events. On weekly chart, 1765 and 1677 is your support, and 1876 and 1923 is your resistance. This is daily chart. Now price has made 61% retracement of this bearish wave which was started on FMC meeting. Last daily candle closed near this yellow trend line as we predicted in our last video. After surprising NFP data, price could not break this resistance zone. If this trend line and this resistance zone break, then next target on daily chart is 78% retracement at 1865 and 1876, 50% retracement on daily weekly chart. If price found resistance at this level, then first retracement target is 38% retracement at 1774 before 1765, and next is 50% retracement at 1755. On daily chart, you have resistance zone from 1755 to 1765 and resistance at 1876. After NFP data, some people are saying Fed will delay tapering, and some people are saying Fed will announce tapering in next meeting. At 61% retracement, this is the place where this buyer take profit and new seller enter, and these previous seller have their stops. This is H4 time frame. After NFP, price has completed its ending diagonal chart pattern right at this resistance zone and this daily trend line. If this lower trend line break, then it will confirm on H4 time frame that this trend has been completed, and seller who are taking entry at this level will target for this fifth retracement level. For this month, we have two important news. On 14 September CPI data, on 22 September FOMC. So we have this retracement level at 1774, 1755 and 1737, and time 14 and 22 September. If Fed announce tapering, then gold will break this low and start making new lower low. If don't, if Fed delay tapering, then it will continue its bullish trend and test 1900 psychological level. This is the CPI data chart. If you do not know what is CPI and what is the difference between monthly and yearly data, but you should know how to read chart. On left chart, this data made retracement and it is testing this previous support zone after breakout, and price is making series of higher high since August 11. So these bulls have already buy this data. Basically they are buying retracement on this chart. The buyers who buy gold on 11 August have successfully predicted supply chain disruption. They were also right about NFP data. Now they are waiting for their next target, trend reversal on this CPI chart. Then they are also right about these data, because by the time it break this high and make new higher high, you will listen in news hyperinflation, not inflation, about hyperinflation, and that time it would be too late to buy gold. And they are buying for out of control inflation in United States. As a retail investor, retail trader, you're buying gold, but hedge fund are buying this CPI information indirectly in form of gold. If this trend does not reverse on next CPI data, then they will take profit, because all of these bulls are waiting for trend reversal. So this upcoming days till the entire month, pay close attention where price reach when CPI data come on support or resistance, and when FOMC meeting comes, because tapering announcement also depend on these data. When price was making this higher high, investors were worried about delta variant. Now it is confirmed by NFP data, but there is two more things. If before FOMC lockdown announced in UK or India, then there would be no tapering, and all of these bulls are still waiting for these two things. Now back again on our first chart, the monthly time frame. In our last video somebody asked, should he buy gold for marriage or not? This is the complete trend of gold which was started when gold standard was broken, and it is making series of higher high. World before this vertical yellow line was completely different. If we compare 1971 when gold standard was broken, there was no such thing as trading view for retail investor. But today you can know everything without paying money. Before this 2008 financial crisis, world was also different, but because before this time nobody has social media, because nobody was posting anything, and this last time frame and this last key event March 2020 has completely changed the world. Every necessary information that you need as a retail investor is completely free on YouTube. Actual money printing was started when gold standard was broken. Since then, they are printing money, and reverse processing is called tapering. But as you can see on the chart, but it is making new higher high. So based on this information, you can predict that this tapering will not break this low at 1045. If you buy gold as an investing purpose, then you are taking entry on monthly chart, and this is your last wave. You have already missed opportunity for 38% retracement. Your next target is 50% retracement at 1560. If tapering announced in September FOMC meeting, then next target would be 50% retracement, and everyone will buy at that level. Then next thing will be interest rate. Before Fed start raising interest rate, where price make bottom near 61% retracement, we have 1451, where Fed start printing, and all of these people and all of these investors who are buying gold since then has complete experience since gold standard. So long term investor who are buying gold for at least 10 years should have their entry at 30, 50 and 61% retracement, and your target new higher high. If you compare Ray Dalio and Warren Buffett with yourself, then take example of Warren Buffett. He is trading since World War II was started, and no one will teach you real truth of this World War II tragedy in your school. And if you take one more example, Ray Dalio, he is trading since gold standard was broken. That time he lost money, but he is still trading. In all those years, Warren Buffett never buy gold but buy at all-time high. And if we take one more example, Jim Roger, he is buying gold in all those years and never sell. He buy gold at 50% retracement and never sell. And all of these investors who are old and all of these investors who are holding gold since 70s, these were their investing, and they are sitting with their stop below lower low, and their profit target is new higher high, because this high will be made when new crisis will start. And Central Bank of Russia has already predicted new financial crisis. They have already said if Fed start raising interest rate within 18 months, new crisis will start. And many central banks are buying at 38% retracement, and hedge fund will buy at 50% retracement, because their first entry was at 1451 before Fed start printing money, and their second entry would be at 50% retracement. This was the bottom made when Fed start raising interest rate. For long term investor, your support is 1451 near 61% retracement, and timing is Fed start raising interest rate, and take profit is new higher high. If we consider fundamental for retail investor and compare you as a retail investor with all those people, then nobody will teach you about gold standard, what was the main reason behind World War II, and what is happening now? Because Cold War, which now has different name, trade war with China. It is a old story. Only one player has changed, but it is still old. Investor who has taken entry during trade war are still holding their position. To understand trade war, you have to understand Cold War. And all those investors who are taking entry since coronavirus for at least 10 years, their ultimate support is 1046, because this level is not going to break before price reach 61% retracement. You will see another crisis. So this is your buy zone from 1046 to 1451, and above 2075 is your profit target.